Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate my steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got, I would say, basic browsing history data. We can remove the websites, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time range to last 4 weeks or all time, up to you totally, and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on more options and we will be transferred to this specific section. So as you can see, we can choose what we want to remove. Here we've got advanced options like saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So make sure that everything you want to remove is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range, for example all time, and then tap on delete data. And we can enter the history to check, so the three dots icon, history, and as you can see the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.